So, what happened today here?
We brought the river rock in. We had to spread the river rock. And Gil came over, he lives just on this side of the hill with his bobcat. Spread it in the same time that it would have taken us
Oh
my God, it would have taken us 3 weeks.
Yeah, look.
Doing
All
it this way.
I thought it was 1 ton. What'd you say it was? It's not 1 ton. It's how many?
12 tons.
12 tons.
12 tons of rock.
Oh, wow.
It's going to go all the way around. It goes around on the other side. So it encircles the arbor, the vineyard.
No.